Hello everyone, today's tutorial will be on this eye makeup look. It's very simple and easy to do. It's a beginner friendly tutorial. I have just used two matte eyeshadows and one liquid eyeshadow, silver liquid eyeshadow to get this beautiful eyeshadow look. If you're interested in knowing how to get this silver and black eye makeup look, then please continue watching this tutorial. As my makeup palette, I did be using Carnival Be Perfect Excel Pro palette. First eyeshadow would be this. I'm using Sigma E33 brush. I'm coating this eyeshadow on my crease. Move brush back and forth on your crease. Intensify eyeshadow. Move brush in circular motion for smokiness. Lift your eyebrow when you're applying eyeshadow, when you're depositing. Creases will not appear. I'm coating the same on my outer V. Next, I'm using black. I'm coating this eyeshadow on my outer V. Apply on your outer V. Move towards the crease along with outer V. Intensify black eyeshadow slowly on your crease. Move the brush back and forth and in circular motion for black to blend with first eyeshadow. I'm using pencil brush. This is from Pro Art. It's PE29. Intensity on outer V should be the greatest. I'm applying more here to intensify my outer V. Next, I'm using liquid eyeshadow. This one is from Mars. It's very beautiful. Link to this liquid eyeshadow is in the description box below along with other products. Do not cross your crease line. Keep it within the crease. This is just a 3 eyeshadow eye makeup look, 2 matte eyeshadows and 1 liquid. This liquid silver eyeshadow is what I have used. Push it towards the outer V to blend it with outer V eyeshadow. Push only the mid liquid eyeshadow towards outer V eyeshadow. That way we will be able to blend liquid eyeshadow well with outer V eyeshadow. Next, I'm creating winged eyeliner. I'm using a liquid eyeliner to create winged eyeliner. Next, I'm creating pointed inner corner. Pointed inner corner shapes your eye. Eye makeup looks extremely beautiful after creating pointed inner corner. Pull it downwards and then take it inwards. Now I'm coating kajal on my waterline. I'm using kajal from Color Bar. Next, I would be using first eyeshadow to smudge on my lower lash line. Move brush back and forth. Traces of first eyeshadow should be visible and kajal also should seem smudged. Lastly, I would be coating mascara. I'm using Faces Canada mascara to intensify my eyelashes. Use tip of the wand when you're coating mascara on your lower eyelashes for easy mascara application on your lower eyelashes, and it's done. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Thanks for your time. If you found this tutorial easy, then please consider subscribing my channel for more such tutorials.